We have more than 300 certified PMP last year, and this year target is to get more than 500 certified PMP, and I'm 100% sure that we will be achieving our goals even before 31st of December. Imagine you becoming certified PMP in just 4 to 5 weeks. Now you must be thinking, 4 to 5 weeks, this seems like a big claim. Actually, it's not. Let me share you how we help students to become certified PMP, and you can also become PMP in this particular program. I call that system as success coaching system, and that system is based on one of the most important thing, that we need help in order to grow. Every single person who has done something great in their life, they has accountability partner as a coach, and on this thing my success coaching system stands. My name is Amer Ali, and I help students to achieve their dream of becoming project management professional in the minimum possible time. I have more than 1300 videos. If you want to prepare by yourself, you can go to my YouTube channel whose link is there, or you may be watching the video on YouTube, and you can prepare by yourself by watching multiple videos that I have shared there. You can do it yourself. But if you need my help, you can join my program. Every month at the mid of the month we have a program. Like in this month we are having a program on 16th of September, 16, 17, 18, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then next week Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. UAE time, since I'm in Dubai, to 1 a.m. 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. You can join this program, and I will make sure that you become certified PMP in the minimum possible time. What happened? First, you attend my 6 days training. I'm an official trainer, that is authorized training provider instructor of PMI. You attend this training. Once you have attended this training and gone through the every single material, of course I'll give you 35 PDUs that you need for your PMP exam. You will get those 35 PDUs. You apply for application, I help you in filling your application, and if you get selected for the audit, you see, this is a very interesting thing. Most of the time people say that you will not get selected for the audit. It is entirely random. For me, I'll say that if you get selected for the audit, and all students have been selected for the audit in the past, hey, I was selected for the audit in the past, so I will help you in clearing that particular audit. Once your audit is clear, I'll give a weekly customized roadmap according to your time zone. What does that mean? Now this is a very interesting thing. I want to put context on that. If you have 4 hours that you can give daily on PMP, and if someone who has only 1 hour, you can't have the same roadmap. So I will sit with you, I will understand your requirement, your need, and I will provide a roadmap according to your requirement. And my goal will be that you clear PMP in 4 weeks, but we will have a gap of 4 to 6 weeks. I will make a roadmap according to that particular thing. So you join the program, you attend all 6 days, then I give you roadmap, and then I will break down that roadmap into a weekly roadmap. In each week, what you need to do. So you will study or do whatever the things we discuss in each week, and we will keep on changing the roadmap. I'll call you, I'll message you. We will have a discussion on every single day. I called it as my daily follow-up, one of the most important thing in my training program. We will have a daily follow-up, a discussion. Where do you stand? How I can help you? What help you need in your studies? Maybe you want to read a book. Normally you don't have to read any book in my program, but let's say you say that I want to read a book. So if you want to read a book, I can suggest you, okay, read this book. Let me tell you an interesting thing. I have written my own book, my journey book. So you can actually read that book, or if you need a different videos, I can provide you. I will customize your roadmap accordingly. Then we will have 3 coaching calls in a week. Monday, Wednesday, and either Thursday or Friday. The first 2 coaching call are fixed. The third call, basically we decide on the availability of every single student. 3 coaching call in which we actually share how to solve hard questions of PMP. And let me share something. This is something which has given us the best possible results. In this coaching call, not only I solve hard questions on PMP on Wednesday, you learn how to solve hard questions of PMP. You will learn from your peers how other people are solving the question, and this will help you to improve your journey by 10x. And then a very important thing, every single topic will have 50 questions that you need to solve. and you have to do root cause analysis. This is something that may seem like a too much, but that is actually the reason why we have 99.8% success rate. These root cause analysis help the student to solve this question in the best possible way, and this root cause analysis will help you in solving every single question regarding PMP. This is an important thing to understand, how to do a root cause analysis, which we will teach in these coaching calls. You will be doing root cause analysis. Every single student will be doing root cause analysis. I will give you PMI official 210 cloned questions that are exactly like the exam questions. And normally I was having a conversation with Deepak who cleared PMP last night. 4 to 5 questions are very relevant to those exam questions. Now that's an additional bonus that you will be getting from my side. In addition to providing this PMI ATP question, I'll give you the only simulator that you need to have. As many questions as you need to have, I'll provide you. We will keep working together. We will keep saying, okay, this is the important thing, I need the help. If you need anyone else coaching, like I will provide my certified PMPs also in the way. I will be there in addition to my certified PMPs. We'll keep working with you, and when I feel okay, now is the time you can give exam, I'll ask you, okay, pay the exam fees. You will pay the exam fees, and that's it. Now you will give the exam, and one day before the exam, first the week before the exam, we will work in a different way, and the most importantly, 24 hours before the exam, I'll give you a special content designed according to the exam. And of course, we will have the most important, my final call for the exam. You and I will have a discuss. I call it as a mindset call. So to set your mindset and see how we can best use the time of PMP exam. And this way you will go give the exam. Once you clear the exam, we will record your journey and share with other people. If you want to listen to the journey of other people, you can watch our videos of lesson learn. And if you still think that you need more information how I can become certified PMP, you can contact me. Just one more thing, everything is backed by money back guarantee, so you don't have to fear at all. Join our program batch, that is $499, or 1-to-1, that is $999, and we will make sure you become PMP.